All right. We're in. We are in. We're hauling Joe Murphy's cattle, and he's got some big ones. That's why we're slipping and sliding. Oh, the turn, baby. I'm spinning, but I'm pulling. Oh, baby. Doggone bell. I gotta work on that. It just takes off. Oh, she's smoking too. Puffing and chuffing. It needs a body, I think, and that'll help weight down for traction. Of course, the problem I had with the traction tires, the one that came off was extremely old, and there was nothing I could do about it. It was totally deformed. So I simply just took the other one off, and it was also pretty old and hard, so they were probably helping, but they were old. So we're gonna have to get some new traction tires. I have some. I gotta dig them out and make sure they fit, and then glue them on, and then we're okay. The trick, as I showed you in the one video where I just had the bare chassis, I put the linkage on it, and I quartered the wheels, and then I put the bare chassis with the linkage on here and flipped it around, and it just scoots. It just scoots. Ball bearings, baby. Oh boy, does it scoot. Now, I had to take my time putting this back together, but it's really good. It's really square. I just wanted it on this tight circle to make sure that the linkage and the tight turns and the wheels and the tender and all were doing what they're supposed to do. And they seem to be. Steam whistle seems to have stopped working. I don't know what that's all about, but we have the chuff and the bell. I'll be running it around a little bit more. It's 4:30, so I do have some time. What I want to do is grind out the reliefs for the sound speaker mounting on the tender body that I formed, the blank template canvas, you might say, body, and that way the fan will be working to its full potential. I want to make sure those parts are not going to heat up and that's going to work for us the way it should. That's PETG. I got stress, all right. At any rate, I think we're going to be fine. I'm pretty sure the chassis, both chassis now are extremely tuned. Just tuned. Rolling, baby. The rear trucks on the tender are rolling nice and smooth in those brass bushings and axles, and the front wheels are all ball bearings, and they're rolling beautifully. The engine is running beautifully. Not sure why it's pulling 4 amps, but it is. I was on a pedestal here. Let me get down and check. 16 volts at 4.55 amps. Well, I'm not sure. I might have some heavy cars. I might have a couple heavy cars. This is not a, shouldn't be, oh maybe, no, it should not be a heavy load. Those are all empty box cars. They're not loader cars, you know what I mean? So it shouldn't be that bad, but there's some old ones. I haven't oiled them or tested them lately, so there's 3 of those that are early 50s and the others are late 50s. But as you can see, we are rolling. We are bringing the cows to town, babe. Okay, I will, I'll get brave. I'll put some different cars. Maybe I'll try those passenger cars. Oh, I know why. I know why. Those cars are live on that rail. That's what it is. That's the 4 amps. I go down there and put that on not 2 train or something like that, and it'll work better. So this one side is feeding the whole layout just about. It should not be feeding that inside. Yeah, it could. Oh well. Oh yeah, look, he's taking 15 volts. He's not even turned on. What's there? Oh, jeez. I got 2 sets of passenger cars on here. Well, I'll deal with it later. That's the problem. All right, I'm not worried. I am not worried. Gotta have somebody help me with my wiring. Oh, baby, it's going. It is going. I just nudged it to 17 volts. It likes that straightaway back there, doesn't it? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. The thing with a loop like this is you don't have that long back stretch where you can let it eat. Feed it the beans and see what he's got. Smoke them. Oh, yeah. See, I mean, he's going slow and he loses momentum. Then he has to spin a lot to get her going. That's because he doesn't have any traction. This turn here must be nasty. Okay. Well, it's only 4 amps. It should handle it. We're good to 5. All right, I'm gonna haul it in and give it the once over and work on that tender body. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling really good. I think we got it. That's at 10 volts. It's pulling, but it's spinning. It's not that many cars, is it? I don't know. That's better going backwards. Nope, afraid not. Okay. Okay, I gotta call it quits and do some more work later.